Mga good evening. So for today's video ay magbabasa ulit ang aking daya. No, sige. Si Kuya kasi may ubo. So si Daya muna tayo. Focus muna tayo kay Daya. Sige, go. So ang babasahin pala ni Daya ngayon ay part dito sa libro natin or dito sa ating magazine na 10 ways to manage your diabetes. So yung ano niya is about the lifestyle or yung ano dun sa the traveling back in time at Sitio Remedios and other heritage sites in Ilocos Norte. Ayan, sige Daya.
There's a huge difference between living in a house that was built to imitate the homes that were lived in generations ago, and living in an authentic house true to its generation, in this case, the mid-20th century, that was rescued and transferred piece by piece and reconstructed to its smallest detail in a compound. In Sitio Remedios in Ilocos Norte, one basks in its rich character and lazes in this unique experience that is, in essence, an experience that truly brings you come back in time. Sitio Remedios Heritage Village Resort did that for me. It made everything slow down and the environment that true to its tiniest detail, like using a wide, round basket as a trash receptacle. At the same time, it provides the bare essentials of modern living that we simply can't live without, such as a nice hot shower, alo, and Wi-Fi. The homes in Sitio Remedios Corimao were about to be demolished when Dr. Joven Kuanang rescued 7 of them. Every single piece of wood and every stone was taken down and carefully transferred to 1.8 hectares of land on the beachfront that comprised the compound where Sitio Remedios was. We were a big group, so it was very lovely that each family had a house all their own. It felt like one owned the town, and that we had it all to ourselves. A part of the hope to encounter a ghost or two, but it never happened during our 4-day stay. I asked about ghost sightings, but apparently there were no such stories to be told. The houses came in different designs. A single bedroom house was assigned to a newlywed couple that traveled with us. We were in a 2-bedroom home that was a perfect arrangement for us and a relative from the United States. Another sister's family of 4, plus the driver, stayed in a house with a large room furnished with a master bed and bunk beds, more than what was needed. Every morning we went to a large open terrace with many tables, large, small, rectangular, and round. Here we had a lovely breakfast buffet including the most delicious sausage I'd ever tasted in my life. The buffet lunch, the dinners were tasty too. Special dietary requests were accommodated, cooked on the spot, and added to the buffet. The soothing sound of the crashing waves on the beach was a relaxing addition to the ambience of the open terrace. We loved walking down the beach, exploring what lay beyond. We encountered strange tiny structures, unfinished homes, a friendly stray dog, and an area hidden behind trees where events for the resorts were held. The relaxing surroundings were quite conducive for those that had to do some work, while the rest of us enjoyed the swimming pool and other amenities. St. Remedios is a rare experience that's worthy of one's time.
Okay, so, hi, say hi na sa inyo. Thank you.